Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I'm eating like a doctor this week. Okay, my sister's a resident. She's on her way to doctorate. She has access to the hospital cafeteria. Not that I don't. It's that she can swipe her meals for free. I'm not about to pay. So we're gonna have hospital food for dinner for a week. Eating like a resident. Disclaimer, everyone has access to the hospital cafeteria. So there's nothing really special, but I'm special, so I'm gonna make this special. It's a special treatment. I'm just milking her resident rights. Privilege. Before these dinners, I want to give a huge thank you to Factor for feeding me and my stomach. I've been enjoying these quick, ready-to-go meals, especially in the afternoon because I don't have time to feed myself. You know how important my health goals are, especially with the 10K steps and my workout plan. So Factor has been my bestie alongside everything, making sure I eat a balanced meal, especially before these hospital dinners. Like, food is my weakness. That's where I tend to mess up. I'm also tired of unrealistic diet plans, so I wanted to try Factor to see if these will actually satisfy my cravings while staying within my wellness goals. Is it true that it fills you up? Yes. Every meal is more than enough in one sitting. Whether you want to believe me or not, I get full without even finishing my meal. And usually that's the problem, when it's never enough and I'm still hungry. I love that these are pre-portioned, so I don't overdo it either. Even if I'm full, I get to finish my meal and know I didn't overdo it and feel bad. It's simple, it's made from scratch by real chefs as they craft your order. It's like Gordon Ramsay serving me a whole feast. Thank you. This has to be one of my favorites. Grilled steakhouse filet mignon. Restaurant quality meals sent right to my door, never frozen. These did not come frozen. Honey. No. No groceries, no chopping, no prepping, no cleaning, no dishes. Fresh and ready in 2 minutes. You just pop it in the microwave. I heat, I eat, I enjoy. Factor offers meat, seafood, and veggie-based dishes. Also including keto, calorie smart, carb conscious, plant-based, chef's favorite. You can choose from 34 plus chef-prepared, dietitian-approved meals weekly. Also, I didn't know this, but Factor offers a complimentary nutrition coach. You can get on a 20-minute consultation with a registered dietitian for help, advice, especially if you're feeling stuck with. And if you're a snacky queen like myself, they supply snack add-ons. If you're ready to eat without losing sleep, because we do not have time to think about one more thing. The link is in my bio. Use code FAY50 for 50% off now. Their meals are so good. Worth everything. Here I am at the hospital. Nice ride. I don't see her. She told me to come up here, and I don't think I'm supposed to be up here. You said second floor. Show me your OTD. I like. Turn around. What are you doing? Eating my stuff. Okay, where's the food? There was like a man doctor that passed by, and I was like, who are you? Yours like, that's my co-worker. So I follow you? You hear my backpack? Serious? I feel like I should not be back here, but I'm doing it anyway. Move. You want to take a backpack back? It's heavy. You can't do? I just drowned almost yesterday. My arms are weak. This was the first dinner, so you best believe the hype was real in my head. I expected an A-list meal, but it is cafeteria food after all. Hospital cafeteria food. How fun. I haven't had a sloppy Joe since middle school, and the last time I had one, I loved them. Fast forward, 18 years later, this was questionable. Mac and cheese, not bad. I've never had such watery mac and cheese. It felt like they finished putting the mac into the cheese, and then they rinsed it under lukewarm water. Horrible! It was like mac and cheese soup. Pasta salad, I think Marco liked this. Good. This is good. Bun was soft, so let's give it that. Is this supposed to be this oily? I know it's 94 degrees outside, but I did not expect these buns to sweat more than me. It was definitely a greasy situation, but I guess that's what you get for ordering a burger in a hot and humid climate. Psych! We were blasting an AC, so this behavior was unacceptable. The meat sauce or concoction was not that offensive. It was sweet, and there was a lot of meat versus sauce, which I'm pretty sure we all want. I was also pretty hungry at this point, so I kept the consistency of bun, my mouth. Bun, my mouth. I just kept eating it, even though it was a little too oily for me. Since the greasy buns want to make this all about them, we give it a 7. The pasta salad though, that was an 8 out of 10 in my books. I like the pasta salad. Should got more. Minus the olives. Mac and cheese out of 10. 2. It's not even cheesy, it's like watery and mushy. It's not cheesy at all, it's watery. Gatorade's 10 out of 10. Day to hospital dinner. I'm just waiting for this resident. Always late and not fashionably late. This is yours. Not me just enjoying her leftover chips after roasting her while she's in the bathroom. Off we go to the calf.
Can I get some rice as well? Ooh. And can I get some corn on it, please? Yeah.
Yeah, give me my red Doritos right there. If I could take it with me.
You want a drink?
My sister made the weirdest nacho combo.
Sure.
There's rice, corn, chips, and cheese. Ground beef. Do a little sour cream. This is like a taco nacho. Tomatoes, jalapenos. You're good. It's a lot. I'm confused if this is taco or nachos. Great. No. A combination of nachos and tacos in one. Chips for later, and then vitamins. There's rice in here somewhere. Just your standard grocery store nacho cheese and corn chips, along with all the fixings you put in a taco. I had fun eating these nachos since I like to challenge myself to eat a whole chip without breaking it. Are you really having nachos if you're breaking your chips? Think about it. Honestly, if it weren't for the rice, I'd call quits earlier. The rice and meat combo alone could have scored higher, but since we wanted to be fair and include everyone, it took a hit in ratings. I don't know what it is, but nachos with rice, you should try it. Out of 10, what do you want? What do you think? 6. 6? This was a 5.
You smashed it out.
I think I'm just...
You haven't had nachos in a while?
A little more meat, probably.
General Tao sauce.
Ooh, we never look at these stuff. Bunch of snacks. We got chicken. We put edamame, spinach, which is weird. We got rice in here and a big old egg roll. Is this chicken egg roll? I think so. And we got a minute Chinese chicken bowl. My surprise was warm enough to melt the frozen edamame, so that added a nice touch. I'm gonna call this an inspired bowl because let me tell you, this was basically ground chicken. Without the sauce, this bowl would have brought some shame to its name. I like the rice. I think it was whole grain versus just normal white rice, but I could be wrong because I drizzled way too much sauce, so I couldn't tell at this point. The veggies were veggies. Now the egg roll. I could have had 5 of these in one sitting. It did not disappoint. I swear it's the same ones from Panda Express, so we know how they got here. Just listen to that crunch. This is a hefty egg roll. Wow. Even though they probably sat in a freezer for who knows how long, and do we even want to know, they tasted as fresh as cafeteria food gets. That's not saying much. My standards are not high, so either way, I was very pleased. There's even egg in here, green beans and green onion, spinach, carrot, frozen edamame. And the best part, it was so sad. Just kidding. This was probably my favorite. No. What was your favorite meal? I don't know what my favorite meal so far has been, but the egg roll was my favorite. The rice was tasty. The bowl itself is like a 6 out of 10. The egg roll was a 10 out of 10. Okay. A 7. Egg roll? 8. This was great. I think I'm just thirsty. That's it for day 3. So today, something I did not plan for happened. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this photo. Yes, a cop took me home this morning, and you're probably wondering what relevance does it have to this video. A kid completely smashed my Tessie's left forehead, and I'm left without transportation for hospital dinners for the remainder of the week. I'm so upset right now. Car's totally wrecked in the front. I just got this car checked and fixed like 2 days ago, and everything's been fine. I just got back from checking my embroidery sweatshirt. This kid came out, he didn't stop at the stop sign, and he's yelling at me that he did not, and I don't have a stop sign. He runs to his house, gets mom. His mom comes out yelling at me. I'm heartbroken and angry, but I'm trying to stay positive. You gotta finish what you started, Faye. It was quite an experience sitting in the back of a police car, to say the least. Those stiff, cold plastic seats have been through something else, let me tell you, sis. Nonetheless, Miss Resident was kind enough to pull through and bring the hospital cafeteria to me. If you're wondering why I'm not at the hospital having dinner, I can't. I don't even want to talk about it. I really don't. Anyway, with no access to a car, we'll finish off the last 2 dinners of hospital food at home. And today was actually chicken adobo. Isn't that weird? I mean, I'm really shocked they had chicken adobo. Rice. Oh my god, that is really good. Chicken. Oh my god. The chicken is tender, but juicy. Green beans. Okay, wait, this meal? I'm sorry, but the rice is so yummy. Look at that. Wait a dang minute. Is this my favorite meal? The rice soaking up the juices. The green bean is super bland, but such a good palate cleanser. I love this stringy chicken. The perfect bite. This is delicious. For hospital cafeteria food? What? I'm giving this a 10. That's a 10. Good. Today's the last dinner for hospital food. You're brought home. Spaghetti is my favorite. So I have high hopes because I'm a spaghetti gal. I'm a spaghetti connoisseur. Spaghetti and meatballs have to be one of my favorite food. You'd have to strip me away, skin and bones, to get me away from pasta and red sauce, okay? However, if tomato sauce is watery and the only way to get a spritz of flavor is to find the actual tomato chunks, that's a crime in my books. That was booty and disappointing. The pasta itself was soft. I don't know how to describe it besides so I really don't mind well done pasta. I mean, heck, I love soggy things. So this did not bother me, but it was very close to mushy. So life on the edge it is. Now the meatballs. It may have been a little too soft pasta, but the meatballs were excellent. They carried the team. They did extra credit. They took on the whole project. I feel bad meatballs had to let pasta and saucy sauce leave its name in the credits. 6 out of 10. Again. And that concludes eating what a resident eats for dinner at the hospital cafeteria. My favorite meal of the week was definitely the adobo inspired bowl meal dish. Something about how the rice just soaked up all the juices sprinkled so much joy into my body. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna go back to the hospital cafeteria on egg roll days and an adobo day. I had a lot of fun doing this even though things didn't go as I expected them. I'm trying to look on the bright side and I'm gonna propel forward. It's been a couple days since and I'm doing a lot better. Either way, I hope you guys got hungry, and if you did, you better go eat yourself a good meal. You deserve it. If you want me to follow Mr. Resident for lunch at the hospital, hit me up. Let me know. Bye!
Tell me what you do